Hey, I am so ready to show you my Zulay juice press. I'll show you how she works first, then we'll make some juice. This citrus press from Zulay is a professional heavy-duty citrus press, and you can see that it really is. This is cast iron. It is not a lightweight appliance. Nice stainless steel parts, really simple mechanism, so it makes it very easy to wash and maintain. Really high-grade components. Now look how easy it is to use. This just sits in here loosely. It does have these little nubs on it, so it's not gonna come flying out on you. You just turn it and take it out. These parts are dishwasher safe. The rest of it you can just wipe down with a warm soapy cloth and then give it a quick rinsey wipe. See these little nubs in here? You wanna line that up with the notch right there. And that lets this sit nice and flat. You can give it a little turn if you want it to be a little bit more stable. All right, let's make some juice. It is a juice press, but we're gonna give kiwi a try. Put your little glass right there. And here's the fun part. You don't need to be super strong to do this, just watch. It's helpful to put your hand back here as you're pushing down. This does have the potential to tip forward a little bit. It's not going to cause any damage or do anything bad, but helpful to just put a hand on there to anchor that. That's so satisfying. How fun to have this out at a party next to the bar. A little fresh squeezed mimosa, you know what I'm saying? Lime time. That's a lot of juice from a half a lime. Kiwi, should we give it a shot? Let's do it. Okay. Not a ton of juice from the kiwi, but we got some. I'm gonna try this. That's so good. Tropical. Cleaning this up is a breeze. All of this pops out. I can put this straight into the compost or down the garbage disposal. I'm just gonna take a damp cloth, really very easy to just wipe down, lift it up, so easy. That's it. I absolutely love Zulay Kitchen's professional heavy-duty citrus press. I encourage you to try it out with different things outside of citrus because I'm sure you can think of some other things to juice in your Zulay citrus press. I hope this was helpful.